Hello everyone, this video demonstration will cover the presentation of the proper handling and care of a compound microscope while you are using them. Microscopes are very delicate instruments, that is why they need some special attention to obtain their optimal efficiency. The following are the basic precautions when handling and the basic steps on the proper care of the microscope. Always carry the microscope with your two hands. One goes on the arm and the other holds the base. Place the microscope away from the edge of the table with the arm facing toward you. Inspect the microscope before usage. If there is any damage or malfunction, do not try to fix the defect by yourself. Hence, report it to your laboratory instructor or personnel immediately. Do not touch the glass part of the lenses with your fingers. Use only special lens paper to clean the lenses. And ensure the microscope is not plugged in before transferring it to another place. And always use two hands when moving the microscope. When focusing, always start with the objective with the lowest magnification, the scanner. Because the microscope we use are equipped with parfocal objectives, which means they can be changed with minimal or no refocusing. Do not rotate the adjustment knobs in opposite directions. And when rotating high objectives, make sure that these objectives do not hit the specimen slide, and in other words, always change the objectives with caution. And never use oil on other objective except in the oil immersion objective. Ensure that the stage is lowered before removing the slide. After completing oil immersion observation, be sure to clean the lenses to avoid defective objectives. Always turn off the light source when you are not operating the microscope, especially when you're using a light bulb or halogen lamp, because this will heat up the specimen. When cleaning the microscope, do not use solvent chemicals. Instead, use diluted detergent solutions. And when you return the microscope, make sure that it is in resting position. They are clean, the stage is lowered, the scanner is over the stage, and all safety screws are tightened.